See, it's a lot different now. This bottom row is the tomatoes and the radishes and mushrooms and cabbage and cucumbers, and there's green onion back there and things like that. Carrots, broccoli. Those are eggs. I didn't see those before. So we're doing good. Sorry for the bad light. What's that called? Baking soda stops everything from stinking. Fish, herbs, really good chocolate, over 70%. Good dark chocolate, no sugar. Baby waffles, frozen peas, frozen turnips, frozen corn, Brussels sprouts, soybeans, butternut squash, leeks. Love those. Little Japanese beans called natto. Smell really bad. My wife really likes them. Little fried bananas. Spinach. Little soy nuggets. They're good for an emergency. They're made mostly from soy, no GMs, GMO soy. There's some ice back there. Avocado, onion, potato section. Sorry for the bad light. The pear, citrus, and bread section, which doesn't have any bread yet because I didn't make any this week. Or my wife didn't make any this week. None was made this week. 4 ingredients. Let's see. Rice pot. Rice cooker. Hot water bottle. Thanks.